Here's the load that Madeline's gonna haul. You ready for this? Hey, nice shirt.
I didn't want them to think I didn't work here.
You're a Ready team member driving the Ready truck. Hey guys, Matt here. I'm going to be loading the skid steer on the trailer and pulling it home with the 1 ton. Actually, I'm not gonna be loading it because Jesse already did it for me. So that's pretty sweet. I don't have to do that, but I do have to find the key. So I just had to go in and get the 1 ton key, and we'll see if the skid steer key's in there. Hey, what do you need to do? Skid steer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we open the door? Yeah. But first we gotta get the key. There it is. All right.
Can I unlock it?
All right.
There we go.
Wow, you know how to do that?
Now I just got the keys in there.
You guys gonna ride back here while I drive?
Yep.
Okay, hop in, I'll close the door. How was the ride?
Yeah, good.
Yeah?
Good.
Oh, wow, you found the horn. You guys thought I was gonna take off with them in there, didn't you? Well, that would be irresponsible. I would usually not do that, but I might, short distance. We're also gonna bring home this trailer. Wow, that is not tied down very good. And take care of this stuff. This was some stuff that was, wow, that's annoying. Some stuff that was in the office. Hey guys, do you think that's gonna hold? Maybe train some people on how to tie down some loads. I'm the final check, so I gotta make this work. There we go. What happened here is it must have fallen down and then it was ratcheted tight, and it when it pulled up it just barely caught. That was not gonna hold. So again, I wrapped it around the loop just to make sure that it'll always stay on there even if this gets loose, which it won't because I cranked it down. But here's the load that Madeline's gonna haul. You ready for this? Hey, nice shirt.
I didn't want them to think I didn't work here.
You're a Ready team member driving the Ready truck. Have you been trained in how to run the airbags? Big must-have if you're ever hauling loads. Just helps level out the truck and not make it look dumb, but also ride better. All right, I'm gonna make sure this is all tied down good, and we're gonna get out of here. All right, Russell, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. Ready?
All right.
All right.
Ready, Dad?
Your load should be ready. All right, that concludes our relatively uneventful trip back home with the skid steer. I think you did a great job, love. How did you like your Friday night date night?
My idea on Friday night.
It was ideal, huh? I guess this is how we do date night with kids and needing to move some equipment. So thanks again, love. Appreciate it, love you. She did fabulous. Doesn't normally pull a trailer, but I'd say I think she's a keeper. And the boys, I'd say they're keepers too. Let's get this thing unloaded, huh? Come on, you can do it.
Timberwalk, come help.
Oh no, he's going to the other end. There we go.
Lock it.
We got it. There we go. Something you always want to do is shut the valve off and open it when you're using it. Thanks for watching. God bless. And remember, If you need ideas for date night, here's one. All right, take care.